So today I'm going to show you how to take your Google Classroom calendar and embed it onto your website so you do not have to double up the work as far as sharing homework and assignments with family and students on your website. So I am in my Google Classroom that I have for my advisory, and I just put up an assignment right now for the canned food drive. Right here on the left-hand side, you're going to notice it says Classroom Calendar. So when you click on that Classroom Calendar, I can see my assignment, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this calendar and I'm going to embed it onto my website. So I'm going to focus my attention over here on the left-hand side where it says My Calendars, and I'm looking for the calendar that is the name of my Google Classroom, which is called Advisory 2017-18, which actually needs to change, but that's okay. So go to the three dots. To start, we need to change the settings to public because I want to make sure that parents can actually see the settings. So the first thing I need to do in my calendar is make available to public. It's going to give you a warning that it's going to show all the details on the calendar to the public. And I'm going to show all event details. Next thing I'm going to do, I need the URL to get the public calendar. So right here, public URL to this calendar, I need to copy that. On the new Google Sites, which I recommend you guys convert over to the new Google Sites if you can at some point during the year. This is how I'm going to show you though, using the new Google Sites. All you have to do is take, in the Insert tab, you're going to go to Embed, and you're going to paste the URL that we just copied, and then hit Insert. And now you're going to see the preview of the embedded calendar. You can change what the default setting is. I like to keep my default setting to agenda, so it's listed down here. If you want to change the default, you can go to the wheel and you can change the view mode to week or agenda or month, whatever you prefer. The viewer, when I go to publish this, will be able to change that. But basically, when I go to the preview mode and look at what this will look like, this is what it's going to look like to anybody showing this. So when I hover my mouse over this, or if I click on it, the parents and students are going to see the details, bring in canned food for the canned drive. And if I was a student, I would be able to click on the link and head to the Google Classroom for more details. Okay, so it's just a nice workaround for connecting the two together so you don't have to add homework. I do have one more tip for you. So let's say you have items that you want to add to that classroom calendar, but it's not through Google Classroom. You can still do that. So if I just click on the date today and I want to say, don't forget your book for class, or whatever. I want to make a message. You can still do this on Google Classroom. You can make just reminders or messages, but I'm just showing you. What I can do is I can go down here and I can choose that same calendar and I can add stuff to the calendar that I want to be visible on my classroom website. So it's just another workaround. If there's other things that you want to show up on the calendar without going through Google Classroom, you can do it right through Google Calendar and make sure that you select the correct calendar. That's the key I have for you guys. Under here, just make sure you select the correct calendar. So that's it, and I think it works great. I hope you guys try it out, and if you need help, please just shoot me an email and I can help you. I'm more than happy to. Thanks for watching.